The Texas Supreme Court has decided in our favor. Travis County Emergency Services District Number 2 must validate our petition signatures and call an election. The Supreme Court rejected ESD 2's argument that our petition was legally insufficient. The court states that the board has a ministerial, non-discretionary responsibility to call an election based on a petition with the statutorily required number of signatures, and we agree.
We direct the Board for Travis County Emergency Services District Number 2 to determine and announce whether the relator's petition contains the signatures of qualified voters equal to at least 5% of the registered voters in the district, and, if so, to call an election in accordance with the Health and Safety Code. The problem with this ESD2 board is that they have shown no respect for democracy and taxpayers' right to petition for an election, and they are not elected, but appointed.
In the fall of 2022, voters in Travis County Emergency Services District Number 2 circulated a petition to change the sales and use tax rates in their district. The petition gathered enough signatures to surpass the threshold required by law. However, the district's board rejected the petition, claiming it was legally insufficient. The board has never contended any of the petition signatures are invalid for any reason. We sought a writ of mandamus directing the board to hold an election on their petition. The Supreme Court conditionally granted mandamus relief. The court held that the board has a ministerial, non-discretionary duty to call an election to modify or abolish the district's tax rate based on a petition with the statutorily required number of signatures. The court thus directed the board to determine whether the petition contains the required number of valid signatures and, if so, to call an election.
We are pleased with the decision of the court. We are disappointed with Travis County Emergency Services District Number 2, which wasted millions of taxpayer dollars to delay this inevitable conclusion. Their top concern should have been delivering services to the city. We are looking forward to the election and allowing people to decide on emergency services.